Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store and type LED keyboard. Now download this app from this developer. Open it and click Get Started. Then choose OK. Tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard, click OK again, and tap on Input Options. Over here you need to select LED keyboard one more time and tap on one of these options. Then pick theme that you like the best. I will go with this one, so I have to click on it, close an app. Lastly, tap on Download Theme. And now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!